We're here at another graveyard that is all overgrown and old and abandoned. And we got to figure a way in. Okay. There's a bunch of graves missing in this one too, and it has the posts. All the posts. Let's take a little view here.
We mowed this halfway recent.
Have they?
Yeah.
What's this one called?
I don't know.
This is in Milton Freewater, huh?
No name,
A lot of no names. Okay, you guys, I gotta try to step over this with my broken foot and a dress on without getting stuck. Oh, okay. All right, we're in.
More Whitman here.
Really?
Wow, look, there's tombs in these cat. Look at this.
What is it?
There's like tombs.
Oh,
They're tombs, dude.
I'm coming. Oh. Sorry, you guys, this is wiggly, but this is really uneven ground. Really hard to walk on. Oh, wow. This one here. This one here. 1834 to 1891.
Look how big it is. This place is huge.
This is a web. This is a web.
Look how huge this thing is. Look, it goes way back there. Look.
Wow. This was a web right here, 1835 to 1891.
No names.
Huh?
Look at all the no names.
I know.
Creepy looking?
Yeah.
Ouch.
I know those things hurt when they get you.
Yeah, dude, it's stuck here. Look. It's like these things are out here on purpose. Look how many there is.
They're everywhere.
So you can't even walk there. Look, there's a rock right there. Look, there's a wooden stake there. Look.
I'm coming.
Wood for
Man, what is up with these things having those stickers on them? What are those?
thorns, I don't know.
They're everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, so this one used to, okay, the rock was a grave, and they put that up there because they can't tell who it was.
1964 is this one. 1969.
That's a newer one.
1969 right here.
And this one here was a old wooden one that they can't read anymore. And they put a cross up here to say that there's someone buried here. I have to come back here with my spirit box. Oh, I want to see, the tombs that you were talking about. I've never made it over there yet. Oh, Jeremy's over there by, who's in that one, Jeremy?
It's Laura E. Parks, wife of Robert S. Herndon.
Huh. That's my son, by the way. Here's some more.
Oh wow, look at these ones. Little tiny ones like right here.
What's up with that? What's up with that tree? Is it got a thing? Is this one right here, or they just cut down a limb?
What?
That tree right there. Did they just cut a limb down, or is that a marker?
What?
Right in front of you.
Right here, this one?
Yeah.
They cut it.
Oh. Okay, we're coming up to those tombs. Huh? Wow. What? Look at that gazebo.
I know. It's all grown with blackberries. Looks like.
That's an old gazebo. I bet there's someone buried in there. That's in the graveyard.
Got brand new roofing on it.
Wow. Oh, James Whitman. That's what you were talking about. James A. Whitman, 1868 to 1948. He lived a really long time. And someone just put these military stars and stuff up here, didn't they? And then we have Dora Whitman. And Dora Whitman died 1903. And she was 40 years old. And then Rose P. Ballou, 1864 to 1924, huh?
Two of them in here.
There is? And then
We just put a roof on it.
Grant A. Ballou, 1864 to 1943. That must be Ballou Road, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, and that's A.J. Patterson. That's the same name of that guy that got assassinated.
Yeah. Ouch.
1824 to 1887.
Hey, we're gonna come back later when we get some boots on.
I know, I want to get that down there though first.
I'm telling you, so thick those things. Twice as thick as over here.
Really?
Yeah, look. Solid, dude. All the way. That's what I'm saying.
I know they hurt. I don't have any shoes. We have to go to the house and you can't drive your car there.
I'm going to the house right now.
Are you?
Yeah, because I need pants.
I don't have my keys. I left them in the motorhome. Oh yeah, you can get in. All right, we're gonna come back because there's so many stickers. I'm gonna do a good roundabout here, and all the haze you see is from the fires that are burning. That's why it's all hazy here. See that? This is in Milton Freewater, and there's 2 barrels that Jeremy could see inside there.
So we just put a roof on that thing too.
And they just put a roof on it. But look at the haze. And this is a graveyard. This should all be graves right here. And there's no stones or anything for them.
What?
All this should be graves all in here. And they don't have any stones or anything.
You can see the outlines of the coffins.
Yeah.
Look right here.
The bumps, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Isn't that creepy?
Why does I always find all the good graveyards?
Because you work for a graveyard? Wow, this whole part is sunken in. They had people all in here.
I know. Look, all three, look. You can see it.
You can see it totally.
This is a creepy one, dude.
Yeah, this one's really creepy. I want to come back here at night.
Look, something burrowed down inside that
What?
one. Something burrowed down inside there.
Oh, look, you can see the marking.
That's what I'm saying. Watch, I just walked through. Look, you can see it right here too. Look.
Oh, look, there's all these little ones right here.
Shit, they like the animals like to burrow down inside there.
Wow.
They burrow down inside the headstones. They're like that up at the other cemetery too. The one I work at.
Wow, look at this. Oh, look at that
Yep.
building. What's that building?
That building, that's the one I was telling you, using the creeps, dude.
What is that building? That looks abandoned. Is it abandoned?
No.
It's not?
No.
Somebody lives there? Or works there?
Yeah, it's a shop for these people right here.
Oh, how do we get out again?
Right here.
Oh, these stickers are terrible, you guys. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go. This is the fire smoke. I'm gonna let you go. Please like and subscribe. And I'll get this uploaded as soon as I can. Please like and subscribe. And thank you everybody that has subscribed to me. I've got 118 subscribers now. And it's all because of you guys that I've made it over 100. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it.